All right, guys, Ryan here with Alpha Contractors. We're here at 201 Junco Way for Randy and Teresa Myers. There seems to be some kind of disconnect on the damage that was caused from this initial repair attempt, and I wanted to show up just to take pictures and show what that was. So I found the spot. That right there is the shingle that we tried to remove and replace. And I took a bunch of pictures. I marked all the damage that was caused from that. But I do want to come over here to another shingle that was previously damaged from the data loss. You can see this one right here. And I want to just do another run through to show you guys that it's not an isolated event over on that shingle over here. It's going to reoccur on every shingle that we try to remove and replace. Okay, so you can see there's no existing damage other than the one that we're taking out. Okay, so what we're gonna do again is remove this shingle right here. To do so, we have to separate all the tabs from the shingle underneath it, as well as these the two shingles above it, so we can access the nails, take those out. Then that will allow us to take the shingle out, put it back in, and we'll see what happens because of that, okay? So I got my handy dandy roof snake right here. Now I'm gonna be as careful as I possibly can to prevent causing further damage. You can hear it just, oh my goodness. This one's already damaged. That's not, it's already separated. That one's good, that one's good. Okay. Good amount of matting transfer here. Okay. Yep. Yeah, there's a good amount of matting transfer here from these. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take out all the nails. Now I am being very cautious not to lift the tabs too much. Only enough to access the nails, to remove them and put them back in. That shingle blew right out of the nail. All right, see, that's gone. Now, we're gonna simulate putting a shingle back in. I'll show you guys what that looks like. And then we'll recap everything that this repair causes. Okay. tool is really a piece of crap. If we're being honest, it causes more damage than it prevents. You can see how bent that nail is now. Can't use that. Really, the best sure way to do this is just by doing it yourself. Now, what we're left with, all right, I'm gonna do ticks for matting transfer. Oop. Okay, and then creases, I'm gonna put a C. See one starting to form right here. One is starting to form at the top right there. You can definitely see one along the top here. Right there. And definitely right there. Okay, so this is what we have. Matting transfer, very bad. Okay. More. More. And more. Okay, again, just like my last video, these spots of matting transfer are going to prevent the shingle from sealing properly ever again. Okay, now for the creases, you can see this crease forming right along here. This one's starting to form along the top. This one right here. This one along the top as well. Now these aren't incredibly prominent creases that are caused here, but they are creases, and a crease is a crease, which is damage, because what's going to happen is a gust of wind is going to come off the street, and it's going to lift up these tabs that are already now minimally creased but still creased. It's going to lift this up and bend it and fold it. Okay, this too right here, you can see when I lift it up, it's starting to form to that. Okay, so again, this repair is a fail. Okay, now again, now this shingle underneath, the one that we're taking out, is damaged. Okay, then we have two here. This is 2. This is 3. Because 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, it stops there at the very least. This one is damaged as well. And then you have 4 right here. we've now damaged at least 4 shingles in trying to repair one. Okay, now we have to go up and we have to go down. We have to go side to side. It's going to come into the valley. It's going to go across to the hip. We have to manipulate the underlayment at least 6 inches on each side. We have to tamper with these shingles. It's going to be the same thing. Repairing one, or even dipping into one, manipulating one, is going to damage the ones next to it. It's going to go across this hip, down the side, to the other hip, to the other hip, to the slope, to the valley, and all the way back. All right. I'm going to take pictures of this one too. I'm going to send you guys both two different ports with the damages from that repair and from this repair. Okay. And you'll find it will be undeniable that this repair is not doable. These shingles incur further damage in doing so. Therefore, the only way to indemnify this homeowner or mutual customer to pre-loss condition is a full replacement. Okay, I'll send this to you guys in as soon as I can get it uploaded and sent over to you guys, and we will discuss this further. Thank you very much.